Green technology top most usable things are following. 1. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydroelectric, geothermal, and biomass energy. 2. Energy-efficient buildings, including smart homes, insulation, and HVAC systems. 3. Electric vehicles, EVs, and infrastructure, such as charging stations and battery technology. 4. Sustainable agriculture practices, including organic farming, permaculture, and urban agriculture. 5. Green manufacturing and supply chain management, including waste reduction, recycling, and eco-friendly packaging. 6. Carbon capture and storage, CCS, technologies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from power plants and industrial facilities. 7. Green chemistry, including sustainable production methods and the development of new materials that have a reduced environmental impact. 8. Water conservation and management, including desalination, irrigation techniques, and water treatment technologies. 9. Sustainable urban planning and design, including green spaces, public transportation, and eco-friendly infrastructure. 10. Environmental monitoring and data analytics, including the use of sensors and artificial intelligence to track and manage environmental impacts. 11. Waste-to-energy technologies, including anaerobic digestion and incineration to produce energy from organic waste. 12. Smart grid systems that enable the integration of renewable energy sources into the power grid and improve energy efficiency. 13. Energy storage technologies, such as batteries, flywheels, and pumped hydro storage, to store energy for later use. 14. Sustainable transportation systems, including electric bikes, scooters, and public transit systems powered by renewable energy sources. 15. Green data centers, including energy-efficient server hardware, cooling systems, and renewable energy sources to power them. 16. Green finance and investing, including the development of green bonds, impact investing, and sustainable investing strategies. 17. Ecotourism and sustainable travel, including sustainable accommodations, low-impact transportation options, and environmental conservation efforts. 18. Circular economy initiatives, including closed-loop production systems, product life cycle assessments, and the development of a circular supply chain. 19. Sustainable fashion, including the use of eco-friendly materials, zero-waste production methods, and circular fashion business models. 20. Carbon markets and carbon pricing, including cap-and-trade systems and carbon taxes to incentivize greenhouse gas reductions.